I'm not sure what you're trying to tell me, Jenna. I feel like you're saying something about opening the window. Yeah?
Let me interpret.
Yeah.
That's open the window or I'll knock your house down.
Are you the big bad wolf?
Yeah.
I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll horn it all down?
Yeah, just gonna horn it all down.
Oh, you heard Mom's voice? You think I'm definitely getting a banana
Yeah,
now?
she's definitely getting a banana. You know, I can't resist her. She knows.
Look
that
at her
too.
eyes.
I know. She knows.
Banana?
She knows I always give her bananas.
I did
You
fix
eat
the
it?
window. So.
Did I see that? You're not gonna eat it, honey? What's wrong? You don't want a banana? Oh God!
Oh,
Oh no! She's in.
Jenna.
Jenna! Oh my! Oh my! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!